The morning starts off with fog over the extreme northeastern interior, and we're expecting some fog along the west coast. A cold front brings in cooler weather with a possibility of rainfall over the extreme southwestern part of South Africa, with quite a thick band of high cloud moving in from the west, and that extends all the way through to the central and southern part of the country. A coastal low results in warmer weather over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday, with fine and dry weather continuing over the northeastern interior. It'll be a dry forecast for most of South Africa on Tuesday, other than a 40% chance of rainfall over the extreme southwestern corner of the country, and that's with the arrival of a cold front. We're expecting a slightly warmer day over the northeastern part of South Africa on Tuesday, with a maximum temperature of 22 degrees for Pretoria and Mahikeng, as well as Potchefstroom and Polokwane. 18 degrees for Ermelo, 10 degrees above that for Phalaborwa at 28 degrees, and we're expecting a warm afternoon for Bombela at 26. 21 for Bloemfontein and Welkom, 23 degrees for Queenstown and Ladysmith, with highs heading into the middle and upper 20s as we head towards the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline. You'll see a light to moderate north-northeasterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, with light and variable winds all the way through to Port Elizabeth. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 1.5 metre easterly swell, and that's at 10 seconds. We head into the mid-20s for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, with a partly cloudy and mild day over the interior part of the Western Cape, with highs in the low 20s. Cold for Muizenberg with a fresh northerly wind. You'll see a northwesterly wind for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with fresh to strong winds in the forecast, and then a light northwesterly wind with highs in the low 20s is forecast along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a 3.5 metre southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. We head into the mid-20s as we head towards Uppington as well as Prieska, and we're expecting a maximum temperature of around 20 degrees for De Aar and Colesberg, 21 for Springbok and Carnarvon, as well as for Alexander Bay, where we can expect a light southerly breeze. Cold for Cape Town and Langebaan, both at 16 degrees with a moderate northerly wind, and we're forecasting a 3 metre west-southwesterly swell along the west coast. On Wednesday, we're still forecasting rainfall for Cape Town at 15 degrees. It'll be a warmer day across South Africa, with a particularly warm day for the Eastern Cape. George topping 26 with the possibility of evening rainfall. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great day.